Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be making some cornbread. So for my cornbread, I have three corn muffin jiffies, 3 eggs, 1 stick of butter. I'm going to be using some heavy cream and some carnation milk. For flavor, I'm going to add a little bit of nutmeg to it. So I'm going to go ahead and mix everything into my bowl and yeah. So first I'm going to go ahead and crack in my eggs first thing first. So bam. So you got those 3 eggs in there. You want to give it a whisk. And then I'm going to go add my stick of butter. The butter is at room temperature, so it's very soft. So like that. Alright guys, I went and added my butter into the egg. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, just a little bit, because the corn muffin is already sweet. We don't want. I'm just gonna go and add a little bit more to it, and I'm gonna add some salt to it, a little bit of salt, just to balance it out. That's all. And I'm gonna mix it in there. Okay. Then I'm gonna add 1 cup of carnation milk. And we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream. And I'm just gonna mix it. Like so. It's very thick. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water milk to it. For the water milk, I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of water milk. Just to loosen the, oh my god, just to loosen the texture. That's all. Alright, so I'm gonna sift the corn muffin, because the reason why you want to sift the corn muffin, because it be having little knots in it like this, so you want to sift it. So I'm gonna go ahead, so just like this, I'm gonna sift it. So just like this, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera. The 2 boxes, I'm gonna do it off camera, okay? Alright, so guys, I went and added the remaining 2 corn muffin. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of flour to it also. I'm gonna sift the flour as well. And I'm gonna add a little bit of nutmeg to it and sift it. Nutmeg just smells good. And I'm going to pour a little bit of vanilla in it as well. Just a drop of vanilla I'm going to put in it. There we go. So this is the vanilla I'm going to be using. It's just a little bit. Not too much. Okay. 1 cap. 2 cap. That's it. Now I'm gonna mix it just like this. It don't matter if the butter is in there whole, because it's gonna melt in when it's baking, so it's no problem that it's in there like that. So you just want to stir this. So I'm gonna go add 1 more cup of heavy cream to it, and then we're gonna transfer it into the baking bowl. I'm adding 1 more cup of heavy cream to it. So a total cup of 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of regular milk. You can use regular milk or you can use carnation milk. It depends how you want it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna mix this in here and give it a good stir to the right consistency that I want it at. This is the best. This is one of the best cornbread you ever try if you follow this recipe. The best. Alright guys, so I'm just mixing now. Just mixing. Just like so. Yeah, got everything at this consistency. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it into my non-stick baking pan. So just want to do it like this. And I'm gonna pour everything in there because it's gonna bubble to the top. I want to make little muffins. You know what? I'm just gonna put everything in there. So I'm gonna put it in my oven. My oven is set at 350 already. So I'm gonna put it in there for 40 minutes for it to bake. And after 40 minutes, I'm gonna take it out and test it and see if it's truly baked. So yeah, guys, this is how it looks like. Simple to make, easy. It's just like that. I'm gonna give this a good shake. That's so good. Okay. And some paper towel. Alright guys, so this is it. I'm gonna put it into the oven, and after it's done baking, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like.
You know she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back and close from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you're out with your friends now. Oh no no no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move